New research published by the Road Safety Authority shows that 1 in 10 drivers killed on our roads had some level of illegal drugs in their system. The problem is of huge concern to road safety chiefs and to Gardai, and from today, officers on the beat will be given new powers to test for drugs on the roadside. These impairment tests involve checking people's pupils and coordination to see if they're impaired.
Well, over the last 10 years, we've actually looked at different groups of drivers. We've looked at drivers who were arrested on suspicion of intoxicated driving. And in the live drivers, we found that approximately 15%, about 1 in 7, actually had drugs other than alcohol in their system. But if you took those who were under the legal limit for alcohol, that went up to about 1 in 3. The other statistics we have, I'm afraid, are even sadder and more tragic, and that's from blood and urine samples from drivers who've been killed, who've been the subject of coroner's inquiries. And there we found, again, both alcohol and drugs were quite prevalent in those drivers. And in one particular study from one district, the Kildare Coroner's District, that it was approximately 1 in 10 of the drivers who were killed that had drugs other than alcohol on them. The roadside impairment testing simply hones further in a much more formal way what the Gardai are already quite good at. They're actually quite good at picking up intoxication, and if it's not due to drink, it must be something else, it must be due to a drug. But now we have a formalised system of professional training for the Garda instructors and for the Garda members. So at the side of the road they'll carry out a number of tests that will test a person's coordination, concentration, ability to gauge time and so on. And these are all part of the skills that every one of us needs in order to do something as complicated and complex as driving a car.